Hello everyone. Our topic for today is interdependence of plants and animals. After the lesson is over, we will be able to explain the interdependence of plants and animals and appreciate the importance of photosynthesis and respiration on earth. Let's recall. We already know about photosynthesis. It is the process by which green plants make their own food. Plants also require certain raw materials for making their food, like carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Plants obtain carbon dioxide from tiny pores which are present on the surface of the leaves, known as stomata. Plants obtain water from their roots, and they obtain sunlight from green pigments which are known as chlorophyll. We also know about respiration. It is the process of breakdown of food to get energy. All living organisms, they perform respiration, be it plants or animals. Breathing is a part of respiration whereby all living organisms, they inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Let's now try to understand the interdependence of plants and animals by means of a simulation. Now, as you are able to see in this simulation, it is daytime. The sun is visible here. So, it is the daytime. So, plants are performing both photosynthesis and respiration. Now, during the process of photosynthesis, plants are taking carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and they are releasing oxygen gas. Now, part of this oxygen gas is again utilized by the plants during the process of respiration, and part of it is released to the atmosphere. Now, during the process of respiration, plants are taking oxygen gas and they are releasing carbon dioxide gas. Now, this carbon dioxide gas is again utilized by the plants during the process of photosynthesis. So, we conclude that during the daytime, the plants are performing both photosynthesis and respiration, and plants are releasing oxygen to the atmosphere. Now, let's see what happens when the day progresses. Now, when the day progresses and it is night time, the plants are not doing photosynthesis. They are doing only respiration. And during the process of respiration, plants are taking oxygen from the atmosphere and they are releasing carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Let's check out what human beings or animals do. Now, in the daytime, human beings are doing respiration, they are taking in oxygen, they are giving carbon dioxide, and as the day progresses, there is no change. They are taking in oxygen and they are giving out carbon dioxide. So for human beings and all other animals, they perform only respiration. They do not perform photosynthesis. So they take only oxygen from the atmosphere and they release carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. So we have learnt that during the daytime, the plants are performing photosynthesis. So they take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and they release oxygen gas. This oxygen gas is utilized by the human beings and the animals for the process of respiration, and they release carbon dioxide gas. Now, this carbon dioxide gas is again taken up by the plants during photosynthesis. Now, you must have heard about global warming. Global warming occurs due to increasing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide is one such greenhouse gas which is increasing in the atmosphere. Now, how can we decrease the amount of carbon dioxide? Now, we already know that during the daytime, the plants are doing photosynthesis and they are taking carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So if we grow more plants, if we grow more trees, we will be able to reduce the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. You must have seen people taking a walk in the daytime and travelers taking rest under the shade of the trees. Now, these people say that they are getting fresh air or pure air. Now, what is this fresh air and pure air? This fresh air is nothing but the air which is rich in oxygen. Plants, during the daytime, they perform photosynthesis and they release oxygen to the atmosphere. But it is not advisable to take walk near the trees at night. Why? Because at night the trees are not performing photosynthesis. So they are not giving oxygen to the nature. Instead, they are taking oxygen and they are giving carbon dioxide. So next time you plan to take a walk, try to go in the daytime and get fresh air. Thank you.